Hi guys, in this video I will show you what loop engineering is, what graph engineering is, and exactly how to build a graph for AI stock analysis, step by steps, no code required. Alright, so I'm Weng, let's dive in. So let's start with what actually is a loop engineering. So I have made a full video, you can watch it over here or any link that underneath this video. So we will go through what is loop engineering first, and then we'll go to graph engineering, and by the end I will build the actual graph file together with you live. So number one, what is a loop? A loop is one AI agent doing the same job over and over again. If you think, act, check, and repeat until it decides it is done. Next, what is a graph? A graph is the same AI broken into fixed stages connected by explicit rule. So step 1 happens, then step 2, then step 3, always in this order, and it never skips. So for stock analysis, mine is classify the business type, fetch and verify the financial, check for red flags, value it, and then decide. Here is a difference that actually matters. So the loop is flexible. It adapts to whatever it finds, but you can't guarantee what it checks. The graph is rigid. Every stock, no matter how simple or messy, goes through the exact same steps. That's what makes it auditable. You can trace any final answer back to exactly which steps produce it. And that trace back is impossible with a pure loop engineering. So that's the whole reason it matters when there's real money involved. And one more thing, loop does not disappear inside a graph, they just get smaller. So inside my data fetch steps, there is a tiny loop just for verifications. It never controls the whole analysis. It just makes one step more reliable before handling off. So far we have covered what each one is and how they are different. Now let's actually build one. Here's how to build this for real. So you don't need any codings, any programming background. You need a text file. All right. So first write your notes as headings, and each heading is one stage. Under each headings, write exactly what the step does and force it to output a bracket value like this. And that bracket is what makes the AI commit to an answer instead of vaguely gesturing at one. Second, so write your exit conditions right into the steps, right? So this one has a built-in loop, verify, retry, and a hard stop if it can't confirm the data. Number 3, write your branches as plain if else line. So this is the each, the rule that routes different stocks types down different paths automatically, right? And then the final step is to combine everything into one committed call, and that's it. So the whole file is a graph. Once you have this done, ask Claude to create a skill using this graph engineering so that you can call it out every time you do a stock research. Right, so I put this whole graph engineering prompt on my site, plus 5 more super powerful graph engineering prompts that are able to help you to analyze stock 10x faster, deeper, and clearer. All right, so get it from my site here. Now save the skill and run it on any stocks that you want to dive deep. All right, and if you follow this exact path every time, no code, no orchestration software, just structure instructions with hard rules. So loop is flexible but unpredictable. Graph is fixed and auditable, right? So now you know exactly how to build one yourself, node by node. If you want the full file, I actually use across my stock analysis tool. Check the link below or any part of this video. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.